In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to combo with Rogue in Project Smash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present some combos that you can try to do as the Rogue. You will be able to practice these and do a lot of combos back to back to back once you get comfortable. So for the Rogue combo, all that you have to do is do 3 M1s into DSC, into 3 M1s, into a 3 M1s, 1, where you flick at the last hit into 3 M1s into a 2. So doing the flick that I mentioned on the last hit of 1000 cuts is optional, and keep in mind that this combo is unusable if the opponent is above 0%. So by doing this combo, you will be able to style on your opponents. Once again, you do 3 M1s into DSC, 3 M1s into your 3, which is Crosswind Assault, into 1, which you can optionally flick at the last hit, into 3 M1s, into Eviscerate, and you will be able to finish off your opponents like this. You also have other combos where you can do, for example, 3 M1s into Crosswind Assault, 3 M1s into a Down Slam, a dash, 3 M1s, and then 1000 cuts. But the best one is for sure the one that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, and you will be able to combo your opponents using Rogue this way. So you can consider acquiring Rogue for $9,000, and if you have any other combos that you would like to share for Rogue, make sure to share them in the comment section below. You will be able to help others who are trying to learn how to combo with Rogue, and of course, this combo was available on the unofficial community page for Project Smash, where they share combos over the wiki, and you will also be able to find combos for many other characters. So make sure that you follow these combos and you will be able to be better at Rogue. I hope I was able to help you on how to combo with Rogue in Project Smash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.